Hi, let's get started with this beautiful text masking effect using free Canva. First, you need an image that you want to use for your typography. Now we need to remove the background. Canva's background remover is not free, so we'll use a free website instead. Follow the steps and remove background. Next, open Canva and choose a canvas size. Make sure the canvas size matches your image size for best results. Now use the background removed image. Stretch the image properly to fit the canvas. Once it is done, add a text box and type your text over the image. Make the text big and bold, so the image is clearly visible inside the letters. For this kind of text masking typography, bold fonts work best. I'm using the Anton font because it's thick, clean, and shows the image details really well. Adjust it well. Once it is done, then you need to select the text, go to Effects, choose Outline. Set the outline color to white and adjust the thickness. Keep the outline clean and not too thick. This helps the text stay sharp and professional. Next, select the image and click on Edit Image. Go to Effects and choose Duotone from the list. Now select Custom and change both colors to black. This step helps us create a clean base for the text masking effect. Now download this image. It took some seconds. After downloading, you need to delete everything from the canvas. Re-upload the downloaded black and white image. Now, upload the original image with the original background. Place both images exactly on top of each other. Now go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Select the top layer as black and white image and bottom layer as original image. And choose Blend Mode, Screen. And that's it, your text masking effect is ready. Download your design and see how amazing it looks. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.